na wo hwe emema nso a sebe omowu a bebre no hwe a omo ye breadwinners of their families sebe omo bia abusua mu kra no omo anekuta abusua omo ye nkrofo papa omo ye nkrofo sebe adehye na omo go say no ayana uhu bibi say ayana sebe eya obuase adehye ana omoko akoye omugalam say anazede but se wutie ensemu a politicians no ekodru wa na omokana chese they identify with them say omuye NDC for but ko say yes we are a family na sadie we will be NDC first test so when the NDC first test there NDC has failed the very first test we failed because that tester ema enipa ewu enipa na ewu menua yentimi mfa nkwa ma omo bio ba ko kaso se ebetwetwa ni bi bo honoma yebetwetwa omo nan sebe eya reho yetwetwa omo nan no ede na omo abusua bedi ede na abusua bedi entime kwa kope bibia bedi no enam say politics and other politicians ekasenti omo ba bia na akwakowe on baby na akwakowe media menua we eye adesua emma politician bia o eye adesua emma politician bia because menya power na se nipa hwe ne nkwanfa so be na ozo emfa so be pa na ozo eye rahosem na menyi ni se sojafo no so just out of the blue will go say ye kunipa why ebi sida eye den soja ni ba ko ya boni tu eye den Minya sure say soldier for na ne tutu bo omunua no ana anya soldier for na ne tutu e de bo omunua no president say ye investigations okay but the investigations must begin from pre-election period. That is where the investigation must begin.